Again, let's talk about the virtual influencers. It's been a while we haven't covered this topic. So today I have a platform that is designed to make the virtual influencers. You can make the virtual influencer videos, you can lip sync those videos, and there are a lot of different things. So let's find out. Alright, so this AI tool is called apop.ai. Well, I have already covered a video on this AI tool, but now they came up with some new features. So to access this, you have to click on this create for free, and this is the interface. And these are some of the pre-generated influencers. Well, these are all very bold and we don't want to get into that. And to create your own influencer, you have to click on this create portrait model. And here we have two different options. First, you can upload your own reference image if you already have one, but if you don't have any influencer, you can just go ahead to the AI influencer generator and you can build a new model from a scratch. So here you can see we have multiple different options. First of all, you have to select the gender. So let's go with a woman, and you can obviously select the age. Let's keep it around 25 or 24. It depends on you. Then we have to select the country. So you can select any one of them. And in my case, I'm going to go with the British. Next, you can select the color of your eyes because we are building one from a scratch. So we have to define all of these things. So let's go with the hazel eyes. And then we have to select the hairstyle. This is a list of style. I don't know all of these styles. Let's select any one of them, like loose curly afro. Let's see how does it perform with this one. Next, we have the hair color. Let's go with the blonde. And next, we also have the face shapes, and this is much easier than prompting because in the prompting you can't define all of these things in a detail, especially for a beginner, but this is so easy. Next, we can also select the dimple, suntan. It depends on you. Let's go with a dimple and hit generate. Alright, so this is the output influencer, and we have each and every single thing that we have defined. So we have the curly hairs, we have hazel eyes, we have the oval face. So the AI followed the prompt very well. But in case if you don't like the results, you also have the option to regenerate. So you can click on the generate button, and here we have a different variation. Although the similarities are there because the facial features were already defined in our prompt. Now if you're happy with the results, you can just click on this, select this image as a reference, and this image will be selected as your reference image. But let's say if you want to continue with your own image, like in my case, I have generated this image from the image FX. So I'm going to simply download this image and head back to the APOB AI. And now simply upload your image and hit save. Now just give it any random name like Daria, and if you want to write any description, it depends on you. Then we also have the option to make it public or private. Let's keep it private for now and hit create your image model. And in just 2 seconds, a model has been trained. Now here you can see we have multiple different styles. So we have the vintage anime, anime sketch, Chinese anime, 3D cartoon, realistic, manga style. So it depends on you which style do you want to use. And this is not it. If I click on the expand button, you can see there are multiple different styles that you can try. So you can adjust the locations, you can select the style according to the age, according to the dressing, according to the environment. And on the left side, you can see we have multiple different options. So we have the complete set, build your own character, that is this option. Then we have the complete set. We can see the locations, the environment, the festivals, the mood. If you want to go with this one, we have some pre-made templates. Then we have the expert mode. In this one, you can define your prompt according to your preferences. So you can manually define the prompt if you want to. Then we have the image face swap, image editing. These are multiple different options. And these options are only for the image section. We're going to cover the video section later in the video. But first of all, let's go with the build your own. And let's just select the realistic style. And in the prompt section, I'm going to define a woman sitting in a coffee shop and hit generate. By the way, you can also control the quality. And there we have it. We have 4 different variations, and you can see this is the exact same model. You can see the cafe lighting on the background. This is the first image, second image, third image, and all of them looks really, really good. Now let's try a different prompt. A woman wearing a floral dress walking on a street. And there we go. Now we have the exact same woman, but wearing the floral dress and in a different style. And I think all of them are fantastic. Now you can also see some options just below this image. We have the enlarge option, we have the video option, then we have the talking avatar options. And next we have a very interesting option, that is edit clothing. So you can also change the clothing of your character. So if you click on this clothing section, and here is a list of pre-generated dresses, but if you want to upload your own dress, you can just click on this upload image. So let's select this dress and hit save button. And now if you click on the generate button in the bottom right corner, here is the output. And now she is wearing the exact same dress with the exact same patterns. This is amazing, right? Now let's move on to the video section. So in the video section, we have multiple options. We have the talking avatars, we have the lip syncing, we have the image to video, we also have text to video. Let's begin with the text to video, and let's just give it a random prompt like a woman wearing a floral dress walking on a street. the same prompt, right? And hit generate. So here is the output video, and now she is wearing the floral tank top. Now let's move on to the image to video section, which is my favorite option. And if I click on the image to video, you have two options. You can select one from a content, or you can upload your own image. Let's select one from a content. Let's select this one. Well, you can also give it a prompt if you want to. Then we have the option to select the quality. We have the high, best, and ultra. So the ultra will be the finest quality, right? And next we have the option to select the duration. You can select the 5 seconds, you can select the 10 seconds, but obviously the 10 seconds will charge more credits. So let's go with the 5 seconds, and this is gonna be full HD, and hit generate. And here is the first output video, and this looks absolutely amazing. I don't have any complaints with the motions. The motions are very natural, and the best thing is that the video quality is very improved. And this is the second output, and again I don't have any complaints from this one. The motions are very natural, the facial expressions are very natural, even though I didn't define anything in the prompt, but still it performed really well. And here's the one more example of image to video output, and again the video quality is just awesome. Well, these are the examples without entering any prompt, but if you enter the prompt, like in this example, I have entered she is waving her hand. She is exactly waving her hand. So you can also describe what you want from your video, and this is exactly what I have prompted for. So these are the few examples of the image to video, but there are a few other options like the lip syncing. You can also give it a try. Then we also have the talking avatars. You can make it talk, it depends on you. And next we have the video face swapping. So if you want to swap face with any other influencer, you also have that option. So this was a quick tutorial on the apop.ai, and I hope you get the idea how to generate the videos. Well, I have already covered a detailed video on this tool, but now they have added few more options like the text to video, image to video, and lip syncing options, and I hope you get the idea how this tool actually works. And if we talk about the pricing options, in the free plan you get 80 free credits on a daily basis, but if you want to upgrade to their premium plans, this is starting from $9 a month and it goes all the way up to $60. But if you sign up with my link, you will get 20% off. So the link will be in the description below. Go ahead and check this out, and that's it from today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, do give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.